Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your magic key isn't appearing in the Disneyland mobile app or your mobile order isn't working correctly, the issue is often related to your Disney account, linked passes, payment information, or a temporary app problem. Fortunately, most issues can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix a magic key not showing or mobile order not working in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for getting back to enjoying your Disney land visit. So first thing, check your magic key. Begin by verifying your pass. So open the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account, open my tickets and passes by going to the menu and then tap tickets and passes. Now verify your Disney account. If your magic key isn't showing, confirm you are signed into the correct Disney account. Try signing out and back in. If someone else purchased your magic key, verify that it's linked to the correct account. Okay, so troubleshoot mobile order. If mobile order isn't working, verify your payments method is valid, confirm your internet connection is stable, close and reopen the Disneyland app and try placing the order again. Okay, then update the app. If problems continue, install the latest version of the Disneyland app. Restart your phone, sign back into your Disney account. App updates often resolve temporary bugs and performance issues. Okay, so and that's it, guys. Check your magic key discount. Also, if your magic key discount isn't appearing, make sure your magic key has been activated. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.